that I was trying to make. I have a bunch of content that I need to edit and put on there. Before I went on this trip, we did a light video. The apartment, I put up new lights because I haven't been recording a lot of videos because I wanted the background to look nicer. I wanted the background to look, you know, at least different, not just a car or a white background. And I didn't realize that the entire time I could take out the background and put whatever I wanted back there. And I found one that I'm going to use for every video that I really like. And so I'm going to show you guys that maybe in this one, maybe in the next one. And after I showed you guys how I put up the lights and probably some things that you don't want to do, give you guys a bunch of tutorials on CapCut and editing, because every video that I've made up until now feels like I was learning how to edit and learning how to film. And so now I think that I have enough small little skills and tricks within CapCut to show you guys that any of you can make any video and edit it in a wonderful way. This really just depends on how much time that you want to put into it. But I literally learned something about editing every day, and it's really cool. I thought I would hate it when I first started creating videos. I thought editing was going to be the thing that I hated the most. And I love recording the videos. I mean, recording the videos are almost just as much fun as the editing part. But when I start editing, like I'll do it for hours and hours and not even realize that I'm still doing it, and I'll just ignore everybody around me, and it's like I'm in a little bubble. But that was weird if I can cut that out.